Вардар, Амандин Лејно, или позната меѓу пријателите како Дуду, буквално уште неколку дена е во Македонија, а потоа заминува на следната нејзина дестинација, каде што ќе игра во Унгарија. Дуду, здраво!
Bravo.
Tell me, how come you didn't learn any Macedonian in your 5 years here in Skopje?
First, for me, it's difficult. I can say some word, but I cannot have a discussion, and it's more simple for me to speak English. And first, because all our coach, they all the time speak English, because, okay, not this year, but the years before, it was a lot of players for outside of Macedonian. Then we speak English, and all the girls speak English with me. Then it's difficult to learn, but I can say some word, easy word, and I can ask Yasakam, Peshki, for example, but it's really difficult.
You've spent 5 years here. What are you gonna miss most about Macedonia?
Oh, a lot of things. If I need to choose, I will say the weather, because and to be out, because here you live a lot of outside. You are friendly. Everybody meet in the bar to drink a coffee, and I like this kind of life really much.
It's been a week since you've played the finale of the Final Four. How do you feel about it today?
Still really sad. I didn't sleep too much this week. I'm thinking a lot in this game, and sometimes I just want to don't sing, but it's coming in my head all the time, because you know, it's like wish for every player to win Champions League, and I'm really sad to didn't get more and more this year, because the club will finish, and I think all the girls who was working here a long time, they really deserve to have this title, but I'm really proud about what we do and how we fight, and it was great final, and it was only 1 point. It's nothing in handball, and when I think more, I think also with my heart we win something, I think.
At the end of the game, everyone was crying. All the girls were crying a lot, but was it because you've lost the game, or because it's definitely an end of an era for Vardar, for something all of you did together?
I think it was mix of emotion. Of course, because we lost, and you know, we have the best job in the life, I think, because I love too much my job, but it's hard also every day to go to push yourself to be the best every day, to train really hard, and I think we give really much this season. We was training like a hell, and after this emotion when you lost, it's like, oh my God, I'm exhausted, you know, and we give it all, and it's difficult to lose in this kind of situation. But I think also it was also because the Vardar will finish, and we spent so many years, like you say, and we have affinity and friend here. It's a lot of emotion for sure.
At the end of the game, you were named the MVP of the tournament. Was that a bit of solace for the loss of the game?
Everybody asks me this question, and if I can change my MVP for the Champions League, I will change. I will not think on that. Of course, it's great, but I don't know. I will prefer to win Champions League. It's my wish. MVP. It's, you know, it's I do sports, and I do sports in team, and I prefer to win with my team.
Next year you are playing with Ger. So what made you sign with them?
For the sports part, yes, it was a really. Of course, I will stay here if I have choice, but because it was finished, they proposed me a good contract. And when you see the palmarès of this club, it's difficult to say no. I think it's maybe 5, 6, more than 7 years I say no. And I think maybe now it was the time to sign there, because Vardar is finished. But if Vardar will not finish, I will stay here.
I guess you have many friends here. I guess everyone here is a friend, or you call yourselves a family. So who are you gonna miss the most from the girls, from the team?
Oh my God. A lot of girl. I have some affinity with different girl. I think Leki, she's amazing girl. Ina, we spend too many hours in training together. The young girls, it's all everybody. It's different, and we are like small family now. And I cannot say maybe one more than the other because it will be strange to don't come back here next season and to see everyone.
Apart from Vardar, you're also a goalkeeper of the French national team. So you have won the gold at the last World Championship. You have a medal from the Olympics, and then you have medals from European Championships. What would you like to achieve next?
Of course, this season we win the World Championship, and this was amazing feeling. And the next season in December we have the European Championship in France, and this will be my big wish is to win at home because I think the hall will be full and we are world champion. Then I hope we will be the best. I know how it can be difficult, and I just hope we will go the more far possible, and why not to win.
Did you always want to be a goalkeeper, or maybe you were just a player at the beginning of your career?
I play, but I was really young. When I started to play handball, I have 12 years. I was little in the court, but I changed really fast to be goalkeeper because no girl want to be in the goal, and we was changing, and I was not so bad. Then I stayed.
So at the end, I have to ask you something personal. I know that you have 2 young children and that both of them are born in Macedonia. So are you gonna encourage them to learn Macedonian, to come here, to visit their birth country?
We will come back for sure. They need to see where they're born. I think it's part of them story and part of my life also. And for sure I will come back here.
Do they sometimes come to your games to see you, to cheer for you?
Now they are still little small and they don't understand, but they come sometime, yeah.
So Dudu, thank you very much for the interview, and I wish you all the best on your further adventures.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.